Samsung's next foldable is almost here, and while the Galaxy Z Fold 8 may not bring back S Pen support or a built-in privacy screen, it could still be one of Samsung's most important foldables yet. Why? Because Samsung is finally addressing some of the biggest complaints users have had for years: battery life, charging speed, thickness, and overall usability. So in this video, we're breaking down everything we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, including its design, performance, cameras, battery, pricing, and a surprising new foldable strategy that Samsung is betting big on. Let's get started. Samsung is expected to officially unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 8 during its Summer Unpacked event, likely in July 2026. Several reports point to July 22 as a possible launch date, with London rumored to host the event. Now let's talk about the biggest upgrade. Samsung is reportedly making the Galaxy Z Fold 8 thinner and lighter than ever before. According to leaks, the device could measure just 5 millimeters when unfolded and around 9 millimeters when folded. That's incredibly thin for a foldable smartphone and could make the Fold 8 feel much closer to a traditional flagship in daily use. Moving to performance, Samsung is expected to use the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy worldwide. Customized version of Qualcomm's flagship processor should deliver faster performance, better efficiency, improved AI processing, and stronger gaming performance. Whether you're multitasking across multiple apps, editing videos, or playing demanding games, the Fold 8 should have more than enough power. Samsung is also expected to offer up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and as much as 1 terabyte of storage. That means this phone could easily replace a tablet for many users. Now let's talk about displays. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is rumored to feature an 8-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED display paired with a 6.5-inch cover display. Both panels are expected to support LTPO technology and a 120 Hz refresh rate for smoother scrolling, gaming, and better battery efficiency. Samsung may also introduce improved dual-layer ultra-thin glass technology, making the foldable display more durable than before. But here's where things get really interesting. For the first time in years, Samsung could finally be increasing the battery capacity. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is rumored to pack a 5,000 mAh battery, a significant jump from the Fold 7's 4,400 mAh battery. Combined with the more efficient Snapdragon chipset, users could see noticeably better battery life. Now let's move to cameras. Samsung is expected to keep its impressive 200 megapixel main camera, which should continue delivering flagship-level photos with excellent detail and dynamic range. The biggest camera upgrade may come from the ultra-wide sensor, which is rumored to jump to 50 megapixels. Meanwhile, the telephoto camera is expected to remain a 10 megapixel shooter. So while this may not be a complete camera overhaul, image quality should still improve thanks to Samsung's processing and upgraded ultra-wide hardware. As for pricing, don't expect the Galaxy Z Fold 8 to be cheap. Current leaks suggest pricing could start at $999 for the 256 gigabytes model, while higher storage variants may reach $2,499. That's a lot of money, but Samsung appears confident that its latest improvements will justify the premium. So what's the biggest takeaway? The Galaxy Z Fold 8 may not look revolutionary at first glance, but Samsung seems focused on refining the foldable experience where it matters most. A thinner design, a larger battery, faster charging, flagship performance, a better ultra-wide camera, and an even more premium foldable experience. If these leaks are accurate, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 could become Samsung's most complete foldable smartphone yet. But what do you think? Is the Galaxy Z Fold 8 worth upgrading to, or are you waiting for something even bigger from Samsung's future foldables? Let me know in the comments below.